friends. Okay, so in today's video, it is a curbside pickup for a quad stack over at Walgreens. We barely get this. You're ordering this stuff through the app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, putting in your order, and that is a curbside pickup. Now, this is more advanced. And these are the boosters that we are going to be getting to stack in this video. Hopefully you have all the same ones as I. And if you're newer to this and you could follow instructions, by all means put an order in. But if you are really not sure, watch yesterday's video and do smaller deals. And we're also stacking this one. A lot of us have spend 20 on laundry care get back 3, so that's how the quad is happening, and this will appear much later, not in the initial 40 that most of us will be seeing. And this is it. It was some sort of email thing that you had to apply for. Again, advanced shoppers who have no problem doing the kung fu of the app. I've explained this too in previous videos last week, but a lot of us got an email that you had to go in, put your email, verify, and then add all this stuff in, and it would take 20 minutes to populate, but that'll give you an extra $3 on some of these products. You do not like the products that I'm picking, just look for anything that says earn $15 in Walgreens cash when you spend $45. Pairing it with the other two, you can see how the math balances. Your sum has to not have the different coupon codes with, so you have to go above it, and you're going to see it in my totals, and I'll explain it in a second. But we also have these different discount codes to do this curbside that include the one that we're all going to use for this, which is OCT20, the one below, because all of our baskets have to be large for this to work. I recommend you also do this curbside. I think if you're going to do it in store, there's 2 problems. A, you can't use this wonderful code OCT20. Register reward that you will get back for the 15 when you spend 45. It expires in 1 day. So I really encourage you to do this curbside just for the biggest savings. All the newer shoppers out there, I recommend you watch yesterday's video in store doing small little deals. Sometimes Walgreens can be altogether overwhelming. We've all been there. We've all not showed up knowing everything. So I will link this video at the very end if you wish to look at some in-store deals with register rewards. Okay, deal number 1. Let's get into this. We need this whole mess of boosters loaded to your store cart. The 15 back when you spend 45, the 3 back on 2 dental care, 15 back when you spend 60, along with the 7 back when you spend 25. The 2 below do in fact stack. Along with this one, it was through an email invite, and it's 3 back when you spend 20 on detergent, and you will achieve that. And this one will show up much later, so it's not going to be showing initially until after you pay for it. A couple hours after, it'll appear in your account. So into our basket for this one, we're going to be grabbing one of the larger Tide Pods for $12.99. We have a $3 digital. I'm not showing all the coupons either. You just go below the item to load it. A liquid for $12.99 with another $3 digital. One of these Downy softeners, a fancier one for $9.99 with another $3 digital, and then a larger Gain for $15.99 with another $3 digital. And again, if you can't find everything I'm showing, you can grab other P&G laundry care products. The dental picks for $1.79 with the $1 digital. We have 2 toothbrushes with that weird booster that we loaded, along with the 3 off 2. And then we're going to get an additional $3 of Walgreens cash for buying 2 of those. And then we're also throwing into the basket 2 of these toilet papers for $4.99. No digital coupons to go with, but I know a lot of people love this meat and potatoes of paper. So I just thought, hey, I'm not going to be a total Scrooge. I'm going to throw in 2 papers. Just to show you the chorus line, I'm not going to bingo call everything, but just to show you all the digital coupons below with the code OCT20. $10.80. That's why doing this curbside is so much better than in store, because you're like saving $10.80. Like, come on. The overall total for this is $70.73. We have to be at 60 to get everything to rock and roll. After the $10.60 off, we're at $60.13. Just subtract the top from the bottom. 17 in manufacturers. With your debit card, you're going to pay $46.74, and then you're getting back $40 in Walgreens cash, plus that additional weird one, which is 3 back when you spend 20 on laundry care. Factoring in that tax, you're basically getting your entire cart for free. This is amazing. Okay, this next one, if you want to participate, you have to do it today. We're going to load all of our friends, which are these 4. And if you're missing like the 7 back when you spend 25, it's going to be a different math. It'll be $7 more. Plus this little friend for the detergent, and all these baskets I'm trying to throw in at least 20 buckos of that. First item we're grabbing, everybody's best friend, the Olay Super Serum for $34.99. We have a $5 store coupon and a $5 manufacturer. And Aunt Rach has reconciled the math for that one. Over on IBOTTA, there is a $7 back when you buy this product. So make sure you have it. And if you see the time ticker of death is there, so do this deal right away. Go to the store, ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you get a physical receipt so you can get $7 back from IBOTTA. We're also going to throw in one of these Tide Pods for $12.99, and we have our gorgeous little $3 coupon. Load it. And then the $12.99 liquid with another $3 off coupon. Load it, guys. And we also are going to throw in 2 of the toothbrushes for $7 with a 3 off 2 digital. And then again, a meat and potato item. Alternatively, if you don't want this, throw in that softener for $9.99. There's a $3 digital to go with that. And then just to show you, Oct 20 is $11.80. Plus we have a $5 store coupon for the Olay treatment, and then all the other manufacturers. So the overall total for this is $77.95. Subtracting $16.80 with Oct 20 and that $5, we're at $61.15. If you subtract the top from the bottom, so we're still at that $60 threshold. Plus we have $14 in manufacturers and tax and all that wonderful stuff. You're going to pay $50.82 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $40 in Walgreens cash, plus an additional $3 after for the laundry, plus an additional $7 with IBOTTA. You look at that, it makes your basket completely free, and you have to do a physical submission to IBOTTA for that Olay Super Serum. This is $7 short in this cart because I didn't have the 7 back when you spent $25 on this card, so that's why. But if you can line this up, make it happen. The last basket that I have prepared for you guys have all of these loaded, our little chorus line of friendship. And this basket is just a wee bit different. First thing we're going to do for this one is grab 2 fancy Olay moisturizers for $59.98. And we have a 15 off a 2 digital coupon. We're going to throw in 2 toothbrushes for $7 in there with a 3 off 2 digital. And then plus that, we're going to get $3 of Walgreens cash for buying 2 of these. So nothing to sneeze at there. And then the final item we're going to grab to get the math to balance is one of these Dawn dish soaps for $3.99. Why not? And then just to show you, Oct 20 taking $10.60 off, that gorgeous Olay coupon, and then the Oral-B 3 off 2 for the toothbrush. Okay, so we are at $70.97, subtracting $10.60, we're at $60.37. So to get all those different boosters to stack, we're at that $60 threshold. We've achieved it. $18 in manufacturers with tax. You're going to pay $45.99 with your debit card, and then you're getting back, if you have all those boosters, you're getting back $40. So it makes it $5.99, factoring in the tax. Close to free. Go and make some of these deals happen, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.